Today I'm gonna unbox the brand new Western Digital external hard disk of 1 TB. So let's start it. Here is the box. I bought it from Flipkart 3 days ago and it came just about right now, sometimes before. So here you can see the front and back of the box. So let's just cut it, the wrapper. So here is the main box of the hard disk. Here you can see my passport powered by Western Digital. So let's look at the quick review. So this Western Digital, my passport, has a very glossy and nice design, so in hand feeling is good. Let's talk about its technical specification. This external hard disk formatted for Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7 operating systems. So it requires further reformatting for other operating systems. It is supported both USB 2.0 and 3.0. This device has supported the auto backup system, so it automatically backs up photos, videos, music and documents from your system onto the My Passport drive with included Western Digital backup software. Also, you can edit your schedule time for the backup process. It has supported password protection. It is built in 256-bit AES hardware encryption with the Western Digital security software that helps keep you from your content private and safe. Easily, Western Digital builds drive to the demanding requirements for durability, shock tolerance and long-term reliability. And also, my passport drive has a 3-year warranty period. So after opening the main box, we get some stuffs like basic paperwork, and let's see, here we have warranty and setting up manual stuff. Here we can see the power cable or data transfer cable, we can say, for transferring data or backing up your data. So here is the main My Passport. Let's remove the wrapper. It has a glossy design. The interesting thing about this My Passport is it has supported auto backup, so it can automatically back up your photos, videos, music, documents from your system automatically. So here you can see, here is the output voltage of 8 volt and it is made in Malaysia. And here is the USB port. So that's the My Passport powered by Western Digital. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment your doubts, share the video and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again.